What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just heading out to Varkala for a sunset ride. Hopefully the time right now is 5-7 p.m. The sunset is around 6:20 to 6:30. I think I should make it before that. And this is Nora. I recently had been to Varkala, I think a week or I think 2 weeks ago. My friend from Out of Motorcycles were there, so I just went to meet him and we spent some time. It was quite nice. Back then I kind of realized there are more spots than the actual Varkala cliff, so I'm hoping that's the case. I'm not really sure though, so let's see how it goes. As much as I hate to ride like this, but this is how you're supposed to ride in here. Like, there's no other way. You can't just go behind these cars. That's impossible. You'll reach the destination like I don't know what time though, but good luck with that. It's gotta be quite risky riding like these, and you've got to take that risk. But don't worry, they're bringing up the roads very soon, I believe. So at this point I'm kind of used to this because I ride through this road very often. I think at least 3 times in the last 3 months I've seen 3 accidents in this road, which were quite serious as well. We need to take a left from here. This is towards the Varkala. When today's a Sunday, I think Varkala is going to be pretty packed. But we are going to a different place. We're not going to the cliff. I'm very sorry about the visor. It's very dirty. I hope it's not hindering your view. I mean, having the bike dirty is quite understandable. And being a freaking motovlogger, I should have cleaned the visor. It's okay. You guys can adjust. Thank you. Perfect. The satisfaction of having a perfect curve is immaculate. Just can't express it. Okay, let's just go to the cliff first, and then later we'll go to the black sand beach or whatever that's called. I think there's something going on over here. There's kind of police checking and everything. I think the car park is completely filled up. That's why the cars are not being let in. Oh my god, holy shit. What the hell, this is packed. Oh my god. Are we not supposed to go over there? Or are we? Oh, we can. Okay. I think this is the space for me. I'm gonna have my bike parked over here. And let's see. Oh, that looks so damn beautiful. My god. My god, this is splendid. Hi bro. Are they? ഫോളോവർ ആണോ? ആ ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.
വണ്ടി കണ്ടപ്പോഴേ എനിക്ക് ഡൗട്ട് അടിച്ചു.
അതാണ് അടുത്ത് വന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ നിന്ന് ഞാൻ ഇതെന്താ എന്നെ അറിയുന്ന ആളാണോ എന്ന്. അത് ആ ഹാ ഹാ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. ഓ എടുത്തോ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഫേസ് ഞാൻ കാണിക്കാറില്ല, അറിയാമല്ലോ ബ്രോ. This is a very nice place, I love it. It's always a bliss to come here during the evenings. Lovely this thing is. Where are we supposed to go? Over here. Okay, let's just go this way and see. Is this it? I don't know, this is going somewhere. Oh, let's just go, man. Look at this place. Oh my god. It's so peaceful. I love it. I swear I've never come to this side of Varkala. We have to go over here or... Oh, no, this is not the one, I'm pretty sure. No, am I in the wrong place? This is not the one. know if I want to stop over here. Bloody hell. But this is the road that I was talking about. That is supposed to be a lake or a backwater or something like that. And that's the sea. It's bloody brilliant this is. Oh my god. Should have come a bit early, but it works. Let's go over here. Let's see what's over here. Ah, this is the type of joy that I want. Isn't this wonderful? Just trust me, isn't this absolutely beautiful? I love it. So good. Love it. Riding along the shore of the beach. I think I'm gonna keep going to see where this leads to. If it leads to the main road, then it's a win-win. Although I'm gonna come back through this road and go to the other side. Also, I don't know. There's a bike going over there. That's why I'm just following him to the exit. It's probably going to the exit. Oh no. Yeah. I have raincoat, yeah. I'm gonna come here more often. These people got some brains because they're the only people over here coming to this beach, because it's kind of lesser known, I believe, and no one actually comes over here, and they're having the time of their life. That's the way to do it. I mean, just look at that. Like, honestly, just look at that. I think I'm gonna come back again because I want to see this without so many people. So I think I'll probably come during a weekday and during the morning. So that would be a perfect combination. Okay guys, so I think that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.